find that? Wait.
H mark.
Oh, H mark.
We're gonna try it right now.
Look at Dave. Quail eggs.
Disgusting.
Want some cake, Dave? It's cream, it's milk. Where'd you find that? Wait.
H mark.
Oh, H mark.
We're gonna try it right now.
Look at Dave. Quail eggs.
Disgusting.
Want some cake, Dave? It's cream, it's milk.
Come todo.
That's good. It's fluffy.
You wanna try it? It's pretty. No, he can't have bread. These are
It tastes good though. It's not heavy.
I'm gonna try one more.
What happened? They taste good?
I have to eat it with soup.
What?